Most people are terrified of the future. They see AI and they see a threat. But while the masses are worrying about their jobs, a small group of smart money individuals is quietly building empires. We are living in a digital gold rush, and ElevenLabs just handed us the shovel. Imagine creating ultra-realistic videos and voices that are indistinguishable from reality, without ever showing your face or spending a dime on Hollywood equipment. If you feel like you're falling behind in the race for financial freedom, listen closely. Today, I'm showing you the ElevenLabs blueprint. By the end of this video, you won't just be a consumer, you'll be a creator. Wait, do you actually like working 9 to 5, or are you just pretending? Exactly. Let's get to work. The mechanics of wealth. Why ElevenLabs? Because in the world of high-ticket content, good enough is a death sentence. To attract wealth, your content must breathe authority. We'll start with the ElevenLabs voice design tool. Don't just pick a random voice. You need a voice that triggers trust. Use the speech-to-speech feature to inject your own emotion into an AI voice. This is how you bypass the uncanny valley. When your audience hears a voice that sounds human, they stay. When they stay, you win. It's not just tech, it's digital real estate. Now let's pair that voice with visuals. ElevenLabs isn't just for sound anymore. Their integration with advanced generative models allows us to create visual alchemy. To live a wealthy lifestyle, you must first visualize it. Use high-contrast, cinematic prompts. Think luxury penthouse, sunset lighting, 8K resolution. We aren't making cartoons, we are making masterpieces. Transitioning from a flat image to a living story is where the real money is made. This is where the magic happens. We take those high-end images and use ElevenLabs motion tools to breathe life into them. The urgency here is real. The window to be an early adopter is closing. Most people use basic filters. You are going to use the sound effects tool to add the clink of a glass or the hum of a city. These tiny details create an immersive experience. If you can control the attention of an audience, you can control your financial destiny. But wait, there is a specific setting you must toggle to keep this 100% free. I'll show you that in a moment. Let's talk about wise financial decisions. Why spend $5,000 on a camera crew when you can spend $0 on AI? This is the definition of leverage. Wealthy people don't work harder, they use better tools. By using the free tier of ElevenLabs and combining it with open-source video editors, you are maintaining a 100% profit margin. Every view you get is pure equity, but having the tool is only half the battle. You need the hook strategy. Once you have your ultra-realistic video, you don't just post it and hope. You scale. Repurpose your ElevenLabs content into shorts, reels, and TikToks. This creates a digital ecosystem that works for you while you sleep. The fear of being replaced by AI is only for those who refuse to learn it. For you, AI is your 24/7 employee that never asks for a raise. You are building a brand that looks like it costs millions, but costs you nothing but your time. The secret to wealth is appearing bigger than you are until you actually are. The cliffhanger and smooth CTA. You now have the tools to create a cinematic empire from your bedroom. You have the voice, the visuals, and the strategy. But here's the catch. Tools won't make you wealthy if you don't understand how money actually grows. Creating content is like planting a seed. But do you know how to turn that seed into a forest? Most people fail because they want the forest tomorrow. They don't understand the silent engine of wealth. If you want to learn more, click on the next video. I'll see you there.